And finally, I have a copy. This is my personal copy, signed and autographed by both Dr. Bale and Amy Doneen. I'm so proud of this. And I wanted to give her a moment to tell us about this book.
Oh, thank you. So our book, it's called Beat the Heart Attack Gene, and we wrote this book to the public. It's a science-based book, evidence-based book, talking about the science behind what causes vascular disease, what can you ask for when you go into your medical provider or your dental provider, what tests should you be asking for. But you know what, it's told through patient stories. So even though it's solid science, it's articulated through our real patients. So it's very readable. So if you have a patient who you think has risk or family history, make sure they go get this book because the information is told through patient stories. The other thing is the last 58 pages are all references. So patients do not have to feel vulnerable. So if they read it and they think, you know, I really want that test, that they go in perhaps to their medical provider and their medical provider may dismiss their request, they can say, well, here's 18 studies on why I want it. So we wanted to arm people with the information they need to get healthy. And then Larry King wrote the foreword to our book.
Nice. I didn't know that.
Yeah, which we're proud of. And the reason we're proud of that is because he will help us get that message out. And he wrote it because of his friend and colleague Tim Russert, who died unexpectedly of a heart attack. And what he believes is that if Tim Russert had had the workup for which we talk about the Bale-Doneen method, which we have created, that perhaps Tim Russert would be alive today.
Wow, amazing. So I want to thank Amy very much for your time. I know how valuable it is. And in fact, we're right in the middle of a course. She's been teaching a course, so this is a big deal for her to take a few minutes aside. Visit BaleDoneen.com and certainly think about doing their preceptorship. This is the second time I've taken the course, and I can't believe how much more I have learned this time than I did the first time, and I think part of it was just my limited understanding of the big process. So thanks once again, Amy. I really appreciate it.
Thank you very much. Thank you.